Hey guys, welcome to my project submission for the Google Cloud ADK Hackathon. Hi, my name is Kash, and I'm an independent consultant. My brain is my biggest asset. I'm neurodivergent. I have ADHD and dyslexia, which means my brain is pretty incredible at recognizing complex patterns and connecting the dots. But it gets really exhausted with and paralyzed, with a lot of data, clutter of information, hard to prioritize and managing time. So I did not need another chatbot. I need more of a sort of a cognitive prosthetic. So using Google Gemini and Cloud ADK, I built my system. It's a multimodal system called Trio. It's a secure multi-agent support system designed specifically to manage my neurodivergent needs. I quickly want to switch to the overall architecture. The overall architecture, it's the interact with the agents through a user interface. Trio is not just one agent; it's a hierarchical three-agent architecture. They also work in a network pattern. First, we have the chief of staff agent. This is the root agent and the root orchestrator. It's the only one that I talk to. It acts as a strategic tiebreaker when there are decisions to be made between the executive and the coach. It orchestrates the other two agents, and it filters everything into high contrast, visually chunked, and dyslexia-free markdown. Now, the second is the executive assistant agent. It is a tactical engine that breaks down complex tasks into micro steps to prevent ADHD paralysis. My third agent is an executive coach agent. It monitors my behavior, it learns, it prevents tunnel vision, and helps with hyperfixation, burnout, and it also suggests and throws Spotify playlists, and it has wellness checks. As you can see, my agents have been are connected to the GitLab MCP server, and it connects to all these different tools for doing their job. Integrations and GitLab, like I said, the data, so my data is highly sensitive because it's my own personal agent system. So I have access to all my information, my email, my calendar, my Notion, Spotify, etc. So it's highly sensitive. Trio runs securely on my local machine, but its reach could be massive. It integrates natively with my entire Google workspace. Like I said, it also has connections to my Google Docs, calendar, Gmail, slides, sheets, etc. I went further. We integrated GitLab MCP protocol server. This allows the agent to securely reach into my code repositories. It can manage branches, retrieve project files in real time, and it can help with my business and as well as software development. Multimodal patterns and partner sync. The system is entirely multimodal. I can talk to it. So quickly I can show you. I can talk to the agent using voice memo. I can record and submit. I can upload images. I can drop in files, which is a lifesaver, and I don't have the energy to type. And there are two most powerful behaviors. First, the thought leadership engine. It can batch read entire, like say 50 emails. It can look at my calendar events and recognize patterns in my meeting scheduling or the kinds of emails I get. And it can recognize and tell me, it can draft responses based on how I should change. And also it drafts LinkedIn posts for ideas, suggestions for my consulting work. It also helps me with work-life balance. It connects my shared Notion database that I have with my partner called Household Quests, and it connects and picks up important tasks that needs to be done for the household through the Notion connection that it has. In conclusion, the Trio OS takes the noise out of the digital world and translates it into a language for neurodivergent brain like mine, and can process easily. It's not just a productivity tool, it's an accessibility breakthrough. Thank you for checking out the project, and thanks for listening.